Hello everyone. Welcome to yet another exciting Debutify webinar. My name is Marie. I'll be your host for today's shenanigans. Now, for those of you who joined us in our last webinar, you know that we talked about the features of Debutify reviews, and it's just really cool to see all of those packed in one single app. We dive deep into how it could help you showcase your customers' feedback and grow your business. And oh boy, did we just have a blast, right? It was also a little bit of a lot to take in. Don't worry, we're here whenever you have questions. But if you do, just let us know in the comments as well. Anyway, if you guys haven't watched that webinar, I kid you not, it's super jam-packed. Like I said, I recommend that you watch the replay right after this one. Anyway, today we're taking it up a notch and getting down to the nitty-gritty of installing and setting up the Debutify reviews for the first time. We'll be your techie guides, walking you through the process step by step. So don't worry, we'll hold your hand virtually, of course, and we'll take you on this journey with us. Now, I know some of you might be thinking like, okay, this is going to be another boring webinar. No, it's not going to be a boring webinar, first of all, because you have me. And we'll have, fun. We'll do fun, we do quirky, we do entertaining, and who knows, we might even throw a few dad jokes here and there. Anyway, just to lighten up the mood. So anyway, guys, sit back, relax. Let's learn about how to do this Debutify reviews setting up, right? All right. First and foremost, we have to install Debutify reviews. And it's super easy. You can either head straight to the Debutify's website or visit the Shopify App Store and search for Debutify reviews. Or if you're feeling super lazy, we don't blame you. You can just go directly to Debutify reviews. We'll give you a link to the comment section. Anyway, once you have that, you're going to be redirected to this app, to this website. Just click on Install App right over there. Boom, just like that. And then you have it. So next up, it's time to get started with Debutify reviews. This is where you can customize your settings to match your brand's strategy. If you're having trouble finding the settings, just simply head to the Shopify store's admin dashboard, click on apps, and you have to select Debutify reviews. All right, first things first, let's talk about the review requests tab. Here, you can automate your review requests and choose when to send follow-ups. You can even customize it based on whether or not your customer is domestic or international. Next, you can click on Curate Reviews. And Curate Reviews, you can decide whether to publish all reviews or only publish reviews with good ratings or not automatically publish any reviews at all. This can be essentially or especially helpful if you need to address an issue with a customer who left a bad review. The next tab is all about rewards. Offering rewards can incentivize customers to leave reviews, and Debutify Reviews makes it easy for you to set up a discount code or a coupon code. So just be sure to choose a discount that won't hurt your profits, like around 5% off. Last but not least, we have the Review Widgets tab. Here you can set up your review widgets by selecting Open Shopify and toggling Debutify Reviews. And voila, you're all set and ready to go. Now it's time for you to import reviews from your other review providers. Don't worry, guys, this is going to be like a breeze too. Debutify Reviews supports imports from Judge Me, Debutify, Looks, Yotpo, and even AliExpress. If your reviews are from a different platform, just export them as a CSV file and import them manually. And you can just upload that there. So it's very, very easy. Very, very simple, I would say. To import reviews from AliExpress, all you need to do is enter the product URL and title and set the maximum number of reviews and minimum star rating to import. And if you're importing manually, just upload the CSV file right there and double check that the CSV column name matches the review field. Well, that's actually it for today's webinar. And it's all about how to install and get ready with Debutify reviews. Super simple, super quick. We hope you guys found that this session to be informative, helpful in setting up your review management system. Remember, Debutify Reviews is a powerful tool that can help you increase your brand's credibility. It can also drive more sales by leveraging customer reviews. And with its easy-to-use interface and customizable features, you can tailor the app to fit your specific needs and preferences as a business. So you guys, you don't have to wait any longer. Just install Debutify Reviews today and start collecting and creating reviews to take your e-com store to the next level. Right? Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys in our next webinar. We're going to have more webinars like this, more webinars according to your needs. I'm going to be there. I hope I can see you there too. See you next time. Until then, ciao.